Hey there! So, imagine you're faced with a problem where you need to determine if a super large positive integer is actually a power of 3. Quite a tricky situation, right? When the number can have up to 10 million digits, a straightforward approach like repeated division might not cut it. Let's dive into this fascinating problem. Now let's talk about the solution. The code snippet provided earlier offers a clever way to tackle this challenge. By leveraging the bit length of the number and using some mathematical calculations, we can swiftly determine if the number is indeed a power of 3. The function first checks if the number is valid, calculates a potential power of 3 based on the bit length, and then verifies if it matches the original number. Pretty neat, isn't it? In a nutshell, we explored a cool approach to efficiently determine if a large number is a power of 3. By cleverly using the bit length and some mathematical wizardry, the code swiftly evaluates the situation without the need for slow repeated division. I hope you found this solution insightful and helpful for your coding adventures. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Stay curious and keep coding with a sprinkle of fun in the mix. See you next time.